Hi guys, we are finally back after. I mean, it has not been that long. So today we are going to Expo. Yes, we have been waiting for Expo since like 2016 for more than 5 years, man. It has been so much long since we have waited, and finally it's here, right? Right. My brother is also here.
Yes.
So do you have anything to say about Expo?
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I hope it's gonna be awesome. All my friends said that it is lit and it's far better than we expected. And what did they expect? Come on, it's Expo, right? So yeah, I'm excited. So I guess we'll meet you guys there. Bye. Guys, we reached. Yes. So I think we need to catch some bus from here. There's a nearby bus stop. We need to catch a bus from there, and then the bus will take us straight to the site, Expo site. Yeah. So, oh my God, finally, right?
Yeah.
And it looks we just crossed the site while we are searching for parking, and it looks like some futuristic world, man. Stuff from the dreams. Yeah. So we got down from the bus. Now we are walking towards the gate. Oh my God, it looks lit, man. Seriously, look at these flags. The countries who are participating in the expo, all the flags are here, right?
Yeah. Look at the entrance.
Oh,
Look at the entrance, guys.
nice. Beauty, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God, look at this gate. Nice. We have to take photos from here. Look, flags are there on both sides. Yeah, dude. God. This is the main gate, okay? This entire thing. So we reached, what is the time now? It's around 4, I guess. So we reached here by 4 and we'll go at like night. Look at it moving.
Oh, I don't think I am.
Interactive robots, right? That's what I'm saying. It's a futuristic world. Yeah. I have no idea which pavilion is which. Okay, I'm as confused as you guys are. It's all like beautiful buildings and structures like that. I don't know which belongs to which. I'm literally going in like not knowing anything. By the way, guys, look at the size of that fan. What the hell? Where we'll be checking our tickets and all. So yeah, once we cross this, we are basically in. Wow, look at the gate from here. It's lit. Yo, boys, we have entered officially. We got our everything. Yeah, you need to take minimum 72 hours within 72 hours PCR test, or you need to have vaccination certificate. That's it. Only 2 things. Yeah, look, this is Norway, then that is Colombia, that is Belarus. Yeah, then there's China over there, Austria. Yeah, I think Switzerland also. Yeah, Switzerland is also there. Colombia looks amazing.
Yeah. I don't know what is in this.
Yeah, I don't know anything about the culture. Belarus, what the hell is this? Yeah, Belarus is a good country, but I don't know anything about them. This is Belarus. This is just a trial, right? Wow, this is Belarus, right? Looks magnificent. This has a lot of complicated stuff. I can't understand what it is. Oh wow, look at this. It's like they have built a forest itself, giving us that ambience of a forest, right?
Yeah.
We saw some documentary, like a 1-minute documentary about Belarus's history and how people live over there, their tradition and all. No?
Yeah.
Nice. Good, right? Okay, guys, we got out of Belarus, and make sure to get this passport, okay? Like each country you visit, they'll give you a stamp to put on this passport. It's like a traveler's journey, you know. So we got the passport thing. Now we are going to China. Oh shit. Okay, we are standing in a queue to enter the China pavilion. China pavilion entrance, right? Oh shit, nice. Nice. China is good, right? We have photo with the China president and our sheikh. China is very interesting. They have their space mission and all. Nice. They're showing their entire documentary of space and all of it. Guys, they're showing it. Look. Shit. The screen extends downwards also. Oh, we were in Mars for just then.
Looks like actually moving, right?
Yeah. So here there is communication and connectivity. Common. Look, China high-speed railway. Energizing the future. They made like a whole blueprint of stuff. Nice. I think this is a city of sorts, right?
No,
Then what is it?
it's China.
What the hell is this, man? Innovation and cooperation, common homeland. What? Smart city. I think this is China's plan in the future, you know, to make a smart city. Yeah. What do you think of China's, bro?
You don't like it, right?
No, I like it.
You should.
I said. Look at this. This is like a, what do you say? Smart.
Like, canteen.
Yeah, try putting it. We just did it a minute back, right?
I think it's over something.
Yeah. This is like to learn Chinese. Put on this headphone and you can learn Chinese. This is not the right time and place to learn Chinese, guys. I think this is like a new car which they're trying to manufacture. The design looks pretty cool, I guess. Yeah, it's nice. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what this is, but it looks really cool. Just look at the screen, man. It's curved and it's beautiful. I don't know. I think this is some history on China's wildlife or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. I just came back to this car and realized one thing, okay? The car doesn't have a steering. So it's basically a steeringless car. It's an automatic car, you know. You can just tell your destination and it'll just take you there, I guess. But nice car, right? Yes. He's getting the AC cool. So what is your overall review of China?
It's like just gorgeous.
What?
So gorgeous, really gorgeous.
Yeah, it's good. This pavilion looks amazing. Yeah, many people are even saying that Switzerland is lit. So we are going to Saudi Arabia, which is another, which I've heard a lot of good things about Saudi Arabia. Even my friends loved it, so we are going there. Oh, so Saudi Arabia. Wow, it's definitely the best looking pavilion yet, man. It looks beautiful, seriously. Imad, Saudi Arabia looks awesome, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what is it. We are literally there. Can you see me waving my hand? That's me, guys. So we entered the Saudi pavilion, but there's like a big, queue waiting. There's like a small waterfall and all over there. It looks good. It's perfect to attract the audience. Oh, so we are entering Saudi finally. It looks so interesting inside. Guys, we are inside water. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, guys, magic.
It's so original, man. Look, I knew Saudi was going to be the best one. This is the best one, right, so far. Just through this entrance itself, it's the first one. Wow. It looks original. It looks real. It looks like we're actually in desert, look.
Can you take selfie cam?
Guys. It looks awesome, dude. Look at this, look at this. They're showing their old heritage, Oh. Look at this. Oh. Dude, this is awesome, man. Seriously, this is amazing stuff. Best pavilion here. Look at that, look at that. Look at those two goats fighting. Look at that. They're showing their past basically. So nice. Oh. Dude, it's so nice. Oh God. Look at this, yeah. It's like we're floating, right? Whoa, man, Saudi. Shit. It's like we are literally floating and visiting the entire country, They're literally showing all the names of the countries and all over there. I mean, not the countries, the places and all over there. Like right now, what is this called as? Khawlani Coffee Beans Harvest in Jazan. So we are basically like traveling across the country. So we have the biggest mosque, the holy mosque, Makkah. So shit, it's awesome. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Oh God, look at this. Oh. Oh my God, guys. Dude, what the hell is this? Imad, awesome, right?
Yeah.
The moon. Wow, dude, look down. It's like we're literally going in space. Oh my God, there's the sun, right?
What is it doing? Right?
Yeah, man.
I think this is virtual or something. Yeah. It's real.
No. What is the desert planet Mars?
like we're standing.
It's like we're standing on water.
Guys, see the place.
Guys, this is not actual water. It looks like it. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I'm literally speechless, you know. God. Man, Saudi Arabia, dude. It's so good. Oh my god, out of all the pavilions, the least I expected to be amazing was Saudi Arabia, to be honest. This is literally like, oh my god, next level stuff. Now that is ideal, right? Now when I walk there, look. 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 Oh, what? Look, when I walk. Look. It's like frozen, man. Look at this, we just got out and, you know, Saudi was awesome. Look at the stuff written on it. Explore new wonders, discover Saudi, working towards a better tomorrow, you know. Yeah guys, so it was so tiring. We just finished eating some food and we had some drinks and all, you know, to relax. Then I met some of my friends, you know, from my school, so a little time went in that. So yeah, now we'll be moving on. Let's start visiting other pavilions. And don't worry, like if I'm not able to complete my exploration by today, then tomorrow for sure, not tomorrow, by next week, I'll come again and I'll vlog again. Okay, so. Oh guys, we are approaching that stadium where the opening ceremony happened, right?
Yeah, guys.
By the way, this building is UAE Pavilion, okay? So, first we'll be going here, man. Looks so beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this, man. Dude, man. Oh my god. Look at this. There's a lot of people over here. So the show is at 8:30, but people are already here. The time is only 6:30. Still 2 more hours, so yeah, it looks beautiful, man.
The colors of.
Okay, so now we are going to, I think we are going to Indian Pavilion, because we tried to enter UAE Pavilion, but they said it will take 1 hour for us to get in. Literally 1 hour, that much queue is there over there. So yeah, we are going to India.
Hi
So
guys.
we are stuck in the queue for India.
Yes, guys,
Not
we're in
stuck,
India.
it's fast moving queue, right?
Yeah. It's so hot.
Yeah.
Can't bear this. Even at night it's damn hot. I'm getting some wind, but still that's not enough.
Yeah. Tiring, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything else you want to say? Don't give me copyright, please. Bye. Guys, those blocks, right? They will keep moving. Not now, but they will keep moving. Oh, India. Oh, my home country. Oh, yoga. First only they tell about yoga, you know. Wow, it's nice. They're talking about yoga and all that. It's so nice.
Yeah, guys.
I like the decoration and all, internal visualization.
Expo can make anything good.
Yeah. Wow. Nice. Now we have to go on top. Let's see. Let's explore. What is this? It's not as lively as Saudi Arabia, but it's still nice. It's taking some time to focus, guys. Yeah. this nostalgia, man. I miss India. They're saying it's like different types of festivals or something. This is Holi, festival of colors. This is like Diwali and all. Wow. What? It's nice, right?
I think this is the least best way. I get food.
Don't it's yoga or something, I don't know. Yeah. Kerala culture. Yes. Oh. My boy is there. So this is all like, you know, the visions of India, different things, events which happen in India. If you keep this headphone, then you will know you can know everything about the event, you know. Wow, look at this. It's like I mean, what is this? What did they intend to do with this? I don't understand. But this thing is pretty cool.
50+ million shipments.
This thing looks nice. What is this, bro? Again, my boy is back. Oh, my two boys, man. Vladimir and Modi. So, this is like different companies, I guess, right? There was like Lulu and Reliance.
It's so hot.
Yeah.
We just felt AC, then it vanished.
Yeah. Overall, India is above average, right?
Average.
I would give it like a 6.5 or something. It's not as good as I expected.
The least best pavilion.
No, for me, I think Belarus is the least best. Dude, this entire floor, right? It's filled with Gujarat-based companies. I don't know what, like, it's not, I don't know, man. Indian pavilion is kind of disappointing. I mean, they could diversify a little bit, you know. I mean, that festival thing was good, you know. They showed festivals of every state and all, but this, I don't know, you know, it's not as good as I thought it would be. This is a temple which is gonna be inaugurated in Abu Dhabi soon. It looks big, right? This is a temple. Guys, we finished Indian pavilion. It was, I don't know. It was. I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10 or something. So I'm just chilling and sitting here. Oh my god, it's so tiring. Now at 8:30 that stadium show will start, so we'll have to go there. Yeah, I guess, you know. Guys, look at the pavilion for Germany, guys. My god, looks awesome.
Is it Germany?
Yeah, it is. It's written there. That is Italy, I guess. We are not going into Germany. We are going straight to the stadium plaza, right? Where the light show is gonna happen. There's like half an hour left, I guess. So let's get going, right?
Washroom something.
Wow, this place looks awesome. It's a nice photo to do from here.
No, sitting place and sitting place.
What?
Sitting place is there.
No.
Good.
So I hope the light show is good, right? Of course it will be good. So far the entire expo is lit. They're flying. Yeah. I think the program is about to start. So
Which program?
the light show. So we'll reach there and we'll update you guys, I guess.
Expo 4-year worth is amazing.
Yeah. There's a lot of other small pavilions which like are literally sitting empty. No one is going over there, like Somalia. And even, yeah, I think, yeah, Somalia is the one country where I just crossed and I literally saw no one inside, you know. Yeah, some countries are just sitting there jobless for some reason. But yeah, like India, I think UAE was the most crowded. They didn't even let us in, man. God. So we'll go and check up if UAE is free or no. And if UAE is still crowded, then we are just skipping UAE. We'll enter UAE the next time we come. So we'll be directly going to the stadium now. So yeah, guys, look at the sound effects and all. So good. You hear that, no? So deep. Dude, Iman, feels like a ground is shaking, right? Guys, the show is going on. We are watching it. It's cool, by the way. Nice.
Getting in.
So I'll see you guys after the show gets over. Yeah, so we finished the show and we came. To be honest, it was kind of disappointing. Like, not disappointing. It's just we expected something else, and what happened to something else. It was like mainly targeted for kids, I guess, and we are not kids, right? So now we're just waiting. You know, we are about to go back. Yeah, so I'll update you guys later. Here also there is full flags. This is like Dubai Exhibition Center gate, you know. That's why full flags over here. Okay, so we are walking back, and you know what? Dubai Expo 2020 met our expectations. You know, that's all I have to say. It didn't exceed it, nor did it, you know, disappoint me. It was on the level of my expectations. I loved it. I enjoyed every minute of it. That light show it was mainly targeted at kids. I mean, kids would have loved it, okay, for sure. For us, it was just, you know, kiddish, you know. But other than that, I feel like everything was awesome, you know. I said that I didn't like the Belarus, you know, pavilion, or even the China pavilion. I didn't like it much, but that's like, in my opinion, doesn't matter on that, because it's their country's culture, right? We can't say anything against them. So yeah, I guess so. Everything is very good over here. The way they set everything up, the, you know, the blueprint of the entire thing, you know, the stylistic choices, you know, it just looks like a futuristic city, you know. When you enter it, it looks like a city which exists in the future, you know. That's why it's called, that's why it is so beautiful to look at. Like, I'm gonna come here another time and I'm gonna vlog that too, so be ready. if you wanna watch more vlogs from me, be ready for that video, and I'm gonna make it even better than this, and I'm gonna explore even more, you know. This time around, like, it was our first time, so we were tired, and you know, we didn't know what to do. Now that I'm familiar with this place, you know, next time when I come, I'm gonna rock. Okay, so we are waiting for a bus now. Everything is done. So again, next time when I come, I'm gonna vlog and I'm gonna rock it. Okay, it's gonna be awesome. So until next time, so yeah, bye.